喜哈尔喜欢你。在市府的大楼里面有喜哈尔咖啡座，他们会自己做面包、甜点。我们点了咸的，惊喜的是有全素的。我的黑芝麻面包很好吃，黑糖热咖啡很香，我的肠胃居然没作怪，太有意思了。喜哈尔的烘焙技术很棒，不去可惜哦。Zihaner love you. There's a Zihaner cafe inside the city hall. They make their own bread and desserts. We ordered something savory, and surprisingly, they had vegan options. My black sesame bread was delicious, and the brown sugar hot coffee was fragrant. My stomach didn't act up at all. It was so interesting. Zihaner's baking skills are amazing. It would be a shame not to go.